you came, yet rose in glory, bright your name. O Christ our hope, our hearts adore, in you we live forevermore.
Baptism's grace we were made one, with all you suffered, Holy Son. We join your death, your rising too. Our lives are safe, O Lord, in you. Who dies with you shall rise again, be freed from sin, be healed of pain. O risen Lord, our hearts we bring, lead us with love, eternal King. By day, by night, our thoughts return to all your wounds that make us learn the depth of love you pour each out. O Christ, renew us by your power. Grant us the grace to turn from sin. Let holy life be born within. The Jews you sold, your vast display. The glacial crosses of decay. O risen Lord, our hearts we bring, lead us with love eternal.